All right, ladies and gentlemen, Fab is in the house and welcome back to the channel. Look what I've got, something pretty cool on the table over here. I have the Virtus Culter Pocketknife and EDC Fortis by Virtus Culter. This is the first release of this knife, and this is pretty special because this bad boy was designed by Evgeniy of Dashkoff knives and Clark Mods, the legend, Clark himself. So the goal is to achieve a no frills framelock that would be an excellent slicer, and that's what they are saying, and that's what exactly it is. So let's check it out. It comes with this pouch with a nice patch, 3D, and pretty cool box over here. And inside you will find, look at this. This is a pretty cool touch, extra hardware. And over here you have a card with the certificate of authenticity, designed in Russia, 3 skull grade, Clark Swanson, Evgeniy Dashkoff, framelock, Bowler M398. Check it out. That is a pretty cool thing. I am very proud that Clark and Evgeniy made this bad boy. How is this cool? Drop point blade, M398 steel, amazing wear resistance, of course. Look at the thin blade stock. That's gotta be a slicer. Thumb studs opening action only. Pivot, it's on ceramic bearings. Hello, ceramic detent. Yeah. There's 2 variants, this plain one and the milled with some lines, but it's the same actual knife. G5 titanium scales, titanium spacer. Yeah, you have hidden hardware, titanium pocket clip. You have a bead blast finish. The blade has a 63 hardness Rockwell scale, and look at the diamond wash bevels. I hope you can appreciate this kind of finish because it's pretty cool. It's a frame lock. There is, if you see, maybe if I open the blade, you're able to see, kind of like here, there is an over travel lock bar stabilizer on the inside. There is a steel lock bar insert. Deep carry pocket clip. There's a very simple construction. You have a 2 screws assembly, which are, look at that, Chicago screw kind of style over here, flat to the scale on the back, and a little bit of protruding hexagon captive screw on the show side. The pivot is obviously indexed by the design. Body fasteners are also indexed, so no issues really there in the disassembling. There's 2 rear locating pins. There is a hidden lanyard hole which doesn't disrupt the design at all at the end of the handle. And there is a centering back spacer, which of course includes the lanyard option and includes the branding of the knife, Virtus Culter. Clean, 0 billboard, no frills show side, and just a reminder of the M398 still employed just on the back, just very, very discreetly placed there. And the serial number, there's 100 of these made. 0 blade play with this kind of action, and this is a brand new knife. So I mean, it comes with a zipper pouch, a COA, spare set of hardware. It's you know, the lock, it's pretty sturdy, very safe. 0 lock stick. It's centered out of the box, perfectly centered. No, you can't just touch the blade. It has M398 steel, so not super tough, but I mean, not hard use intended, but it is a very, very cool knife that you can get it just by clicking on the link in the description. There's 100 of these made, so they're gonna get away pretty soon. So if you like this bad boy, it's $350, so it's not gonna break the bank. It is something that you don't see that often, something made this nice for that price point. The screws are thread locked, so just loosen the thread lock a little bit before, if you're trying to remove the screws, so you're not going to be damaging any hardware. These you know, are machine made, but they are hand finished, so every knife has been inspected by Clark, and it's going to ship from US, and it will be free from any mechanical issue. That is a massive claim, so you're not gonna have any surprises when you're gonna get this bad boy. This is the Fortis knife. You can reverse flick, you can do, I mean, it's very fidgety. You have a thumb ramp with some jimping, which kind of matches the gearing on the heel of the blade. Swoops down on the swedge. It's a flat grind, 50% belly, I would say. You got a sharpening choil over there. You got some pretty cool action indeed, like that. The thumb studs are blasted to match the handle. Titanium scales are chamfered. They are internally skeletonized to reduce the weight. I hope you can see the work that went into this knife. These guys, they thought a lot. Look at the screws below the pocket clip. And that's a nice touch, guys. Deep carry screwed in from the inside. Centering back spacer looks pretty cool. I love the handle, so well designed. You have some areas of here to access the lock bar. Stainless steel lock face insert screwed in from the outside. Same Torx bit for the 3 screws that you get on the lock side. It looks very clean on the show side. You have 3 internal cuts for the tensioning of the lock bar. This guy, it's snappy and sleek. This is what I can tell you, 100%, guys. And I'm very proud to say that these guys created something quite unique, very slicey, looks great, no frills, straightforward, titanium frame lock knife. I don't know if I told you the dimensions. 3.5 inches for the blade, 4 and 3/4 inches for the handle, and you got 8.25, almost, 8.25 for the overall length. Do you want to know the weight? Sure, why not? I'm in love with the action. The sound is dry, percussive, and it weighs in at 4.39 ounces in your pocket. The sound Plack. Dry. Closing. Look at this. Very subdued, and you have like that whoosh. I don't know if it's oiled already. Probably might be benefiting from a little drop of oil, which I'm just gonna add now because I want to see if it can improve a little more. So I'm just gonna give it what is this, a little, just a little drop on the detent ball. Actually, let's do not this one, let's do maybe this guy, a little heavier, just a tad on the detent, and I'm gonna add a little tad also on the bearings. Let's see how it works. Now it might be a little bit smoother. Ooh, it is gliding. It's gonna need a little bit of breaking in because this is just out of the box impression. So there's no, oh my God, what a cool action and what a cool sound. Oops, this is me just, ooh, guys, look at that. Oh yeah, baby. This is what I'm talking about. There you have it, guys. This is a pretty cool one. It's not gonna last much longer, so I highly recommend to get one till they last. So there you have it. Really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned.